Instructables. Okay. Well, what's included? So cable ties, wiring harness, connectors. Alright, it's all going to like the controller and cap right there. This box, LCD display control kit. So we got in here. Some more instructables. Alright, so yeah, so here's your main power cable. We're running everything under one cable now. So that plugs into the back of your spreader. This goes up to the battery and into the harness. So we'll run this one first, probably. So yeah. So we got the connector end, something like that. Power cable. There's the controller. It's like mounting hardware for the controller. There's a battery. The battery ends go on this, and then we'll get covered. So. Bottom. More connectors. We'll figure all the connectors out later. This here. That there. And we're going to start with the power connector. And before I do that, as you can see, I'm already loaded. I already have a spreader and a plow connected on there, so I'm going to remove the positive and negative and my existing spreader connections, which I think this is my spreader going back here, this one. Yeah, this is plow. The one with the orange is plow, or faded red. This one right here is my standard power, so I disconnect here, whatever. This one right here is ground. Pull that out. I have that. Can't even see it. Oh, right there. That's going all the way down. That's my old Fisher Polycaster. I'm gonna take that off and put that on a different truck. This one's brand new, so it goes on my truck. We'll put it on today. So I got the going right here. Got that power wire. Oh, here's the back. However you gotta route it, however you route it. I don't like put the cable ties in it or nothing until I come around, but right now. These are So I have enough room if under the bunker routed under there, like by the tire. Simple. Keep it where I can adjust it. Enough. First time I seen a power for the controller like that. That's one end of the power. So that's the controller. So this is gonna go through the firewall. And then there's another one that this is the one that splices all into the tire. Tire. So when that splices into all your lights. But I'll put this one through the what's the other end? The controller end. Alright, so this is a controller end right here. And we'll put that through the firewall. This other one. These two. So they'll go through the firewall. And after that, eventually I'll hook up them to the lights, the turn signals and all that. Actually, I don't even know. I don't think it has turn signals in the back. I know it has the brake. But I don't even know why the spreader has turn signals on it, you know. I gotta go double check back there, see maybe it has two of them. It might. I wasn't thinking. Usually with the plow, you have that. The spreader, maybe the same one. Garbage. And it has this. This is like, that's the thing too. So this is like a wiring harness. And it looks like those plugs actually plug in here. So I don't know if I should install this inside the vehicle. Have everything there, you know, or yeah, I'm gonna do that because I don't want to put this whole thing through the firewall. It's a stick. So I'm gonna leave this one inside. I'm gonna put this one on the front seat. So that's what we'll work on getting these through firewall. It's down there somewhere. So we got vehicle integration. So these two wires right here. And find that on the harness side. Front accessory. There we go. These two. So hook these up. Alright. So those are the two that came from the firewall. I put this here. And this cord is going to go directly into the controller. So this one is going to go over here. There's 8 on both sides of the connector. Oh, slide in there. Alright, so that goes that side. And this is going to be the controller. Controller spreader right there. Bang, bang, bang. So we got that. So this whole thing needs to be tucked underneath your dash. And depending on what you're hooking up to it later, I got the connectors all marked. Let's pull it out. Now I don't have the ground on the spreader plugged in. Supposed to do that last. This is all just for the controller. So I'm not worried about. Oh, here's the fuse for that. The thing I put in earlier, I didn't have the fuse, and I noticed that. I was looking at that. Alright, so do that. Maybe I'll just hook up the ground and then just put the fuse in later. And that's positive. So, yeah, I'll just do it like that. We pop the hood. It started raining. Right here. The way you would do it is bolt it in. Just gonna put it there for now. Oh, you see what I did? I put it on. You're supposed to bolt it in there, but it's temporary. It's gonna be cold tomorrow, but it won't be raining, so those little details like this I'll take care of. Like finishing that. I ran the controller wiring. Goes right to ground. The battery right here. This is a PO2 signal connector. I think this is for the lights. When you slice the lights, I'm not sure though. This one I'm not even sure about. That could do with the rear brake lights. They're not doing them like they used to. They used to make it come back here and connect in. But see that out. There's nothing I need to do in there. pull these out. It's gonna rain. I don't plan on going nowhere. Just gonna leave them here. And then I'm gonna pull this one up. And just kind of leave it like that for now.